Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful look, and also I'll be reviewing an eyeshadow palette. So let's just dive right into the video.
So I'm going to talk about the brand first. Calabar falls in the drugstore category, but I think it has got a mixture of affordable as well as high-end products. It is not as affordable as Wet n Wild or Maybelline because they do provide us with the products under rupees 500, but Calabar is a little expensive, so I cannot say it is purely drugstore. It definitely has a mixture of both high-end as well as affordable product. In the past, I have also tried out its lipsticks and also one more eyeshadow palette. I've also shared a review of that palette, so I will link that video in for you guys. You can check it out. It's a beautiful palette. I'm talking about Glitter Me All Dreamland eyeshadow palette. So you can check that video out. I've done a makeup tutorial. I've shared the review and everything. So please check that video out. As I was completely satisfied with the lipsticks as well as the eyeshadow palette, and that's why I decided to buy one more product from the brand, and it ended up being an eyeshadow palette again because I absolutely love the Glitter Me All shadow palette. So today I got the Party All Night eyeshadow palette. They do have interesting names. This is how the packaging looks like. The outer box, it's a normal cardboard box, and at the back we have all the details. Just a strange thing that this is how the front looks like, and if you just turn it, and it is all upside down, so you have to actually rotate to read the details, which is really strange, but anyways, doesn't make a difference. Coming inside, this is how the inner packaging looks like. Again, they have got a really nice protective shield with a foam, so you can see the foam here. And this is how the main palette looks like. It is very minimal, but I think super classy. And again, you have all the details at the back as well. Coming inside, it comes with a nice mirror, and we have got 7 shades. I really like the mirror because I always prefer having a mirror in the makeup product itself. Talking about the 7 shades, we've got a really nice warm plum. We have corals, we have blues, greens, a smoky shade, and also the highlighter shades. I really like the color scheme. It kind of has all the kinds of colors one could need. Talking about the texture, it has got a really nice velvety texture. It is not a buttery formula, but it's got a velvet texture. But also leaving the coral and the blue shade, all the other shades have got a little bit of shimmer in them. Of course, the highlighter shade has a lot of shimmer in it, so you can even use this as a highlighter. And now talking about the pigmentation, I think I was already impressed with the pigmentation of the Glitter Me All Dreamland eyeshadow palette. So I was actually looking forward to try out this pigmentation. Obviously, that palette was super expensive, 2500 rupees. So I cannot expect the same pigmentation in this affordable palette, but yes, it is really pigmented compared to the other affordable palettes. It is super pigmented. Let me just show you 1 or 2 swatches. If I swatch this blue shade, you can see the pigmentation. It is super pigmented. Now if I just swatch it on my hand, and in one swipe you can see the pigmentation. It is so gorgeous. The shade, the formula, pigmentation, everything is amazing. And also I think I will swatch this smoky black shade. Oh my god, this is a gorgeous color. I haven't tried out this shade on my eye, but it seems gorgeous. Look at this, so pretty. I'm sure you can see the shimmer now. So they have got a little bit of shimmer in all the shades except the blue. As you can see the difference, there is no shimmer over here, but we have a shimmer in here. The coral and the blue color does not have any shimmer, and the rest of the shades have got a little bit of shimmer. In case you want to see the swatches of all the colors of this gorgeous palette, I will add a post on my Instagram, so you can check the description box for the link. Talking about its weight, it has got 17.5 grams. Each shade is 2.5 grams, which is I think more than enough. And also the price, it costs for rupees 1350, that is the MRP, but I had got this on discount from Foxy. So it was I think around 1000 rupees, so which is a pretty good steal because getting this palette at this affordable price is actually a steal. So I will obviously link down this product from various websites. You can check all the websites, do your research, and wherever you get the best deal, you can buy it from there. And the expiry date is also what I would like to talk about. It was made in 7/2019 and it expires in 12/2021. So 2 years I think is a pretty good time, but obviously I got this on discount, so it had to be an old palette, but it is not that old, so it's fine for me. I can easily finish this in 1 year. So the expiry date is also great. It can last for 2 years. Now I'm going to quickly show you how to create this beautiful look using this palette, and then we'll talk about the other things. Now I'm going to list the pros and cons of this palette, and then you can decide on your own if you want this palette or not. Starting from the pros, super affordable. It has got a mirror, which is a huge advantage if you're traveling. The colors are super blendable, so if you're a beginner, it will be very easy for you to blend all the colors. Also, the shadows are super pigmented, as you saw the swatches. And getting pigmented shadows in this range is a rare case, so it is a huge plus point. Lastly, it is cruelty free, no mineral oils, no parabens, and also no nano ingredients, and also it is super long lasting. Coming to the cons, I could only find 2 of them. First one being it has got a little less colors. Whenever I want an eyeshadow palette, I want lots of colors, but I think the color scheme is really good, so this can be definitely ignored. You have blues, you have corals, you have greens, you have smoky shades, you also have a highlighter shade, so the color scheme is super. And lastly, it has got a little bit of shimmers in almost all the shades. I personally don't prefer shimmers, but as you can see on my eyes right now, you don't see that much of shimmers, so it also kind of is ignorable. I think the pros are definitely much more than the cons, and cons are also kind of ignorable. So that's the reason I highly recommend this palette. It is one of the best palettes in this range. 1,000 rupees, I don't think you can ask for more. It is an amazing palette, best deal ever. So this is it for today's video. If you want me to review any other product, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. And also, if you enjoyed watching today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe button, also the bell button to get notified each time I upload a video, and I'll see you in the next video.